This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use 10 draw vouchers in BGMI. These special vouchers are a fantastic way to get new items without spending unknown cash. First, you need to find your vouchers. They are usually located in your inventory or within the game's event center. Make sure you have exactly 10 vouchers ready, as this is the standard amount needed for one full 10 draw. Knowing where they are is the first step to unlocking exciting rewards. Now that you have your vouchers, let's head to the crates. From the main game lobby, simply tap on the crates or shop icon. This will take you to the section where all the different item crates are displayed. Carefully look through the options and select the specific crate you want to open. It is very important to confirm that your chosen crate allows for voucher draws, as some are exclusive to unknown cache. Always double-check before proceeding. With your crate selected, it is time to perform the draw. Within the crates interface, you will see an option for a 10x draw or draw 10. Tap this button. The game will then present a confirmation pop-up, asking if you wish to use your 10 draw vouchers. Confirm your choice, and the draw will begin immediately. You will then see all 10 of your new items revealed, adding exciting new additions to your collection. It is a quick and rewarding process. Congratulations, you have successfully used your 10 draw voucher. All 10 of your new items are now automatically in your in-game inventory. Take a moment to review what you have received and equip any exciting new skins or gear. If you received any duplicates or items you do not need, you can dismantle them for silver fragments, which are useful for other purchases. Remember to participate in future events to earn even more 10 draw vouchers and continue expanding your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.